Hey, what's up, everyone? Did you know that electric bikes are quickly becoming one of the most popular ways to explore the outdoors, especially for campers who want freedom without fuel? Imagine cruising through a forest trail or a lakeside campsite quietly, powered only by the hum of an e-motor. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best e-bikes for camping that you can grab right now on Amazon. Each one's got something special, whether it's raw power, extreme portability, or rugged off-road performance. So stick around till the end to find out which e-bike truly rules the campsite. And hey, all the links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. We're looking at a real beast, the 1500-watt folding electric bike. Think of it as the perfect blend of raw motorcycle power and folding practicality. With a top speed pushing past 30 miles per hour and an incredible 80-mile range from its massive 52-volt, 20-amp-hour battery, this bike screams long-distance freedom. Its dual suspension and 20 by 4.0 fat tires give you that cushioned ride campers love when hitting rough trails or mountain paths. It folds down for storage, though its 80-pound weight makes frequent lifting a bit tough. When compared to something like the electric XPedition, the 1,500-watt folder offers far more speed and suspension comfort, though the XPedition wins on carrying capacity. Still, for campers who love off-road thrills and want an e-bike that can handle mountains, beaches, or long stretches of road, this one's hard to beat. It's fast, fun, and full of adrenaline. So, would you choose this monster for your next outdoor adventure? Drop your answer below. Number 2. LEONX M2 Pro Electric Bike, 1,800 watts, 26-inch fat tire e-bike. Coming in at number 2, the LEONX M2 Pro Electric Bike is pure power on 2 wheels. With its jaw-dropping 1,800-watt motor, it delivers a thrilling 36 miles per hour top speed and 110 Newton-meters of torque, perfect for conquering steep mountain climbs and long camping trails. The 48-volt, 17.5-amp-hour battery pushes up to 85 miles in pedal assist mode, making it one of the longest-range e-bikes on this list. Its giant 26 by 4.0 fat tires and dual suspension provide unmatched comfort and traction on rocky or sandy terrain, while the 500-pound load capacity is ideal for campers carrying gear. However, at 90 pounds, it's not the easiest to handle, and the mechanical brakes could use an upgrade to hydraulic. When stacked against competitors like the Aventon Adventure 3, the LEONX delivers way more power and speed for less money, though it may lack some refinement. If you're the type of camper who craves serious torque and thrill, this one's a no-brainer. How do you feel about an e-bike that rivals small motorbikes? Let me know in the comments. Number 1. E500 Electric Bike 1000 watts, peak motor fat tire e-bike. Finally, at number 1, the E500 electric bike takes the crown as the best overall e-bike for camping in 2025. It's got that perfect mix of power, portability, and terrain adaptability. With a 1,000-watt peak motor, this thing rockets up to 35 miles per hour, while the 48-volt battery delivers up to 40 miles of range. Ideal for mixed rides across dirt, sand, snow, or pavement. Its dual suspension and 20 by 4.0 fat tires ensure a steady, comfortable experience, whether you're exploring mountain trails or campground roads. Sure, It uses mechanical brakes, but the UL 2849 certified system adds a big safety bonus. Compared to the electric XP 3.0, the E500 blows it away on speed and torque, though the XP remains slightly better for portability. For campers who love adventure, speed, and rugged power, the E500 is simply unbeatable at its price. Would you take this speed demon on your next camping trip? So there you have it, the top 6 best e-bikes for camping. Whether you want compact portability, monster torque, or all-terrain durability, there's something here for everyone. Which one would you choose for your next outdoor adventure? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more awesome gear reviews. And as always, all the links are in the description below.